Hello friends, we are here at Auckland City today. We had a meeting today here, so we decided to have breakfast here at Bal Ganga Indian Takeaways. I found the prices are very competitive. It's a very small takeaway. Here's the opening hours. It's open 7 days. We were actually waiting for our food, so we decided to explore the near places and we came here. It is next door of that takeaway. And here we have ended with the tutti. We were in city, so decided to come here again in museum. So here we go.
Is coming to life. Ironically, it's an absolutely stunning evening here in Auckland, the kind where everyone would usually be heading out to the beaches. Instead, we're waiting, not sure what to do next, not sure if this volcanic threat is real or not.
Yeah, we packed last night actually when the earthquake started. We're heading out to Henderson to my sister's place. It's got to be safer over there.
I'm trying not to panic. I was hoping to wake up this morning and find it was all a bad dream, but unfortunately not.
By 8 o'clock this morning, the roads out of the evacuation zone were gridlocked.
We're supposed to be fleeing for our lives. The traffic's not even moving.
Despite instructions from civil defence authorities, many people from outside the evacuation zone joined the exodus, increasing congestion.